There has been a strong disconnect between academic and workforce skills.
There's so many people in business that don't have a clue what's being taught in schools.
Sometimes it's hard living in the classroom, keeping track of what's going on out there.
This is the great opportunity to interface with the schools and find that out.
We do a really good job on the education and training side, but there's those skills that workplace is looking for, and what are those skills?
We're all facing a huge employee shortage in the future, so what can we do to try to prep kids for future employees?
I think it's important for teachers to keep in mind what the next step for our students is.
Kids and even parents that don't even know we're here. They don't even realize the companies are here and that these opportunities are here. So this is a great way for us to get to know some more of the schools that maybe we don't interface with.
The most effective way of reaching a kid is to connect learning to them in a personal way, and the most personal way is through, here's your future career opportunities, here's what you need to know for that.